All right, hey, this is Mike with Sailfish Solar. So we're here at a commercial installation today in Delray Beach, Florida. We're very close to the ocean, and as a result of that, we actually chose this Aptos 440 panel. Again, the ocean is a half a mile in that direction. We thought this was the right choice. Aptos themselves came out to take a look at the project today. We're here with Rich with Aptos. Rich, did we make the right decision using this panel, or what do you think?
Absolutely, absolutely.
Okay, good.
Just think about it. It has the wind rating. It has the salt rating. It looks good. I don't know how you can go wrong with it.
All right, nice. And it's a manufacturer that we trust that you're going to stand behind.
Absolutely.
All right, nice. And then the other thing that we're excited about Aptos is we've got the new 550 bifacials coming out. We're actually thinking about using those on our carports. I mean, do you think that we're on the right track there? What's the story with those?
Yeah, we spoke about it a little bit earlier, and I think that it's a wise choice, and I think you're going to be very pleased with them.
Okay, good. Well, we'll look forward to including those bifacials in our upcoming carports and pergolas that we build, custom projects all across Florida. So that's it. Just thought we'd show you guys kind of what's happening up here on the rooftop. Thanks for stopping by.